To use DreamStation 2 Advanced, you'll need to navigate the menu screens. First, sync your device to your tablet or mobile phone using the DreamMapper app. With DreamStation 2 and your mobile device powered up and in close proximity, initiate Bluetooth setup and pairing in DreamMapper. Follow the pairing instructions in DreamMapper. A 6-digit PIN will appear on the DreamStation 2 screen. Depending on your phone, within 30 seconds, you will need to either enter the PIN into DreamMapper or tap Pair on the device screen to complete the pairing. To start therapy, put on your mask and start breathing, or press the therapy button. The number shown on the screen represents the pressure your device is currently delivering. A solid ring indicates your prescription pressure, and a dotted ring indicates your Ramp Plus pressure. The Ramp Plus feature allows you to set a comfortable starting pressure while you fall asleep. Once Ramp Plus is set, it will be saved and automatically activated for current and future therapy sessions. If you would like to change the Ramp Plus pressure, tap the Ramp Plus symbol. Tap plus or minus until you reach a comfortable setting. Tap Confirm to save the Ramp Plus setting and return to the therapy screen. Once Ramp Plus has concluded, the device will deliver your optimal therapy pressure, indicated by a solid ring and the pressure number shown on the screen. To reactivate Ramp Plus during the same therapy session, simply tap the Ramp Plus icon again at any time. If humidification is available on your device, you will see this symbol. Tap it until you reach a comfortable moisture level. Off signifies no humidification, while 5 represents the maximum. If you are using a heated tube, you will see this symbol. You can adjust the temperature by tapping the symbol until you reach the desired level. Off signifies no heat, while 5 represents the maximum. Both humidification and heated tube settings will be saved for future therapy sessions without needing to tap the symbols again. If the screen goes dark after 30 seconds of inactivity, simply tap the screen to wake up the device if you want to make further changes. This will also simultaneously restart Ramp Plus. To stop airflow, press the Therapy button. A summary of your therapy data will be displayed. Information in blue indicates you can tap to learn more or to take action. To adjust settings and access information, tap Settings on the main screen and swipe up or down to the setting you want to change. Tapping blue text allows you to make changes. To exit out of settings, tap the Back button to return to the home screen.